And we are back. Howzit T.O.B family? Welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos. Our subject for today is the Soundcore Space Q45 noise cancelling headphones. Now these have been around for a bit. It was released in August of 2022, so that's about 2 years and some change. And the price on this one is 2,499 rands, which translates to 138 US dollars. Let's talk specs. Some of the specs include active noise cancelling, 50 hours playtime with the active noise cancelling on, and you get 60 hours playtime with the active noise cancelling off. You get LDAC support for high-res sound. You get AI enhanced calls. You get multi-point connection, and you get a customizable ambient sound. Very, very nice. So this is like the high end of the middle range headphones. Yes? Good. All right, let's pop this open and let's get on with it. Let's go. So when you pop it open, this is what you get. First of all, a nice carry pouch. This is very, very cool. I like this. And you get a USB Type-C charging cable with the 3.5mm audio cable right there. Put that aside. And we have the Space Q45 noise cancelling headphones. First of all, let's talk build quality and design. This is beautiful. I like this. It's a mixture of plastic and metal in places. I think the places that deserve to have metal, and the places that need plastic have plastic. Like, first of all, look at the headband. This is metal here, and under it we've got a headrest with your covered wrapped in pleather. Yes, so this can stretch out. You're not going to be scared that it's going to break with this plastic. See that? Because this is a metal headband. That is really cool. On the side adjustment areas, we've got a plastic end that the metal slides in, which is quite nice. I like that. It gives enough space for different head sizes. Another thing I noticed is, first of all, the matte finish to this is beautiful. Now, some areas of it is like this part of it is not it's not metal, but it does look like metal. So it's like there's a matte finish and then there's like a regular finish with on the headband. This is really cool. I like this. Another thing I like also, I like the ergonomical design. It's really designed to fold and become really small. You put in a carry pouch or whatever. So yeah, I like that. I also like the fact that there's a lot of moving parts on this headphone. So you can turn this side where you just turn the 90 degrees this side. You can also bend it and turn too. So you see, there's a lot of turnings here, which makes it easy for you to adjust to your head shape. Let me use that word. You can adjust this to your head shape. When you put this on, it's not just rigid. You can move it around. That is very cool. I like that. The downside to this also is that after some time, wear and tear kicks in, and then these things don't stay in place anymore. They all start getting all wobbly and, you know, free willy and all that stuff. You know, yeah, that happens over time. But yeah, but so far this is really cool. I like this. I like the design. I like the materials used. It's very, very lightweight. It's not heavy at all. Very lightweight. Let us do a fit test and let's see how comfortable it is when we put this on. Yes? Let's go. Fit test. Okay. It's very comfortable. The earmuffs completely cover your ears into a perfect, very good seal. I like that. It's sealed completely. I like. All right. It is lightweight, but it feels a bit kind of bulky. I don't know if I'm explaining that right. It is lightweight. It's not heavy on your head, but when you put it on, it feels like you've got too much on your head. It feels bulky. Otherwise, it's a very good fit, very comfortable. I think you can use this at the gym. I have a very small head, so this doesn't seem like it's gonna fall off my head. So if you have something bigger than this, yeah, it will be a very good fit for you. But I like this. I like this. I like that you have a very good seal on the ear, so the noise cancelling is really, really gonna be good. Look at that. Feels very comfortable too. But it just feels like it's too much, if I'm saying that right. It just feels like it's too much. Otherwise, comfortable fit. All right, let's move on. It's time for us to pair these, and let's just get on with it. First of all, let's switch this on. Where's the on button here? There you go. Let's switch this on. And the light comes on. It's trying to pair immediately. So let us just go straight to our Bluetooth settings and see if it picked it up already. Let's go. There we go. Space Q45. And just like that, it's paired. Simple, easy, not a lot to do. Very, very easy. All right. What we do now, we're going to go into the app and let's see what we can do with the app. Yes? Let's go. Let us go to the app. First of all, you know how to download it from your Apple Store or from your Google Play Store, so go download it. I already have it on my phone, so I'm just gonna pick it out here. Let us see if we can pick it up already. And there we go, it picks it up for the Q45. And let us go straight into the app and let's see what we do. First of all, it gives us a wiring guide and all that. We got it. Oh, guys, I can never win with this one. All right. Okay, another firmware update. Let's just do it quickly. All right. Let's go.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All right, update is done. Let's go into the app and see what we can do with it. Q45. Let's go. Doesn't seem like much from just looking at it. All right. First of all, you've got your noise cancelling, your normal transparency mode, and under the transparency mode, you have different levels of it. You have the talk mode. Now this also gives you your noise cancelling, but it enhances the voices or your voice mode. That way you can hear people talking around you and all that stuff. And you have your custom transparency mode where you can actually set it up the way how much of the transparency that you want. Easy. Here we've got the save volume here, so this also works with here ID, or so it takes in consideration your environment you're in and sets up a good level for your volume in your ear, because trying to take care of your ears and make sure you don't go deaf over time. Or you can just set it up to your limit to where you want. We've got controls here. You can set up the control the way you want from the button here, the noise cancelling button here, and all that stuff right there. Yeah, you can just set it up and you set your controls the way you want. All right. Sound effects. We've got the Soundcore signature sound, which is default sound, and we have a custom sound, which means you can set up your own custom EQ. And we've got the here ID sound. I'm sure by now on this channel we should be able to set this up, because we've talked about several headphones that use the same here ID feature. I love this, by the way. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, let's go into settings here. We've got the sound mode. Here the sound mode, you can set up your LDAC support. Remember, whatever device you're using, maybe your phone or something, it has to support LDAC too. If it doesn't, this feature will not work. This really gives oomph to the sound. Let me use that word. It gives it a lot of clarity and beauty. All right. I think that's just about it. Okay. I will say something. Just looking at it, I expected more. I'm not gonna lie. I expected more from the app, because I feel like the other ones we've talked about, go into the channel and see the other Soundcore headphones we talked about. The app actually gave a lot more features to it, but I expected more, I must say. But okay, it is what it is. Let's move on. Okay, right now I'm just gonna listen to some music with this, and then I'll tell you what it sounds like. Let's go. Alright, after listening to this for a while, this is what I think. Very good sound. Great separation of sounds. You can tell the difference in the sounds you hear. It favors the highs and the mids, Very good bass too. They're not overshadowing at each other. It's very, very clear. The LDAC supports too really gives it a lot of clarity. Very, very, very good sound. I like it. I also like the noise cancelling because when you put it on, I think it's because of the seal or the way the earmuffs actually really cover your ears. It keeps like a very good seal with the noise cancelling. But I think you might want to reduce the intensity of it because if you increase it a lot, the noise cancelling, like you're really trying to shut out the world, you might hurt your ears because wow, it's really, really good. I like it. Let's move on. Alright, let's summarize this, and I'm going to break my summary into pros and cons. First of all, let's talk about the pros. Firstly, the active noise cancelling. I really like it. I like the fact that you can reduce the intensity of it or increase it depending on what you want. I love that. I love the battery power. It's actually it can take you for missing my words. Yeah, the battery power can take you into the following day because sometimes some people forget to charge at the end of the day, but it can actually take you the following day so you can have enough time to charge. I love the battery power on that. I love the LDAC support. Gives it really good high-res sound. Have very good high-resolution sound. It's very clear, very good. I like that support. I like the comfort of it. The materials used to make this, it's very comfortable. The earmuffs are very soft, very good. I like the mixture of the plastic and the little metal sheet used to make this. It is very comfortable. So yeah, that's one thing I like about it. As for call quality, here's what it sounds like. Howzit T.O.B family, this is a mic test of the Soundcore Q45 active noise cancelling headphones. You can hear my voice right now. This is what you sound like. It's a very comfortable headphone advertised to have two AI enhanced microphones. So you let me know what you think about the sound quality in the comment section. Let's move on. Right. So go into the comment section. You know the drill. Let me know what you think. All right, let's talk cons. Now, my first con is the bulky nature of it. The way it feels when you put it on. Like I said, it is lightweight, which means it's not very heavy on your head. But when you put it on, it feels like there's too much on your head. So I guess maybe that goes down to design and everything. Yeah. So yeah. So I think it's a design thing. It feels a bit too much on your head, like you've got too much on your head. That's the best way I can say that. But it's not heavy per se. Now, another con that I see is the hinges and everything here, right? Now, I know it's an advantage to have these little hinges and turns and where you can adjust them to make them comfortable, but the way these hinges are designed, I think over time, they're going to wear out and then it's going to be difficult to put them in place. So that's another thing I see as a con. Maybe they should have changed the design of the hinges. Yeah, maybe that. Now the last con for me is the app. I expected more from the app, yes, but there's not a lot to it. I think the app needs more features. Come on, this is the Q45. There should be more features to this. Yeah, so I think maybe the app does not really need work. It just needs more features. It needs to give more, if I could put it that way. Yeah. For the price of 2,499 rands, which is 138 US dollars, do I think it's fair for this? Yeah, I think it is fair. I mean, it's about the same price range as the Space one, the Space Pro. It's about the same price. So yeah, I think it's fair. Now, although I've mentioned some cons about it, some things I did not like about it, but I still think it's a good buy. So yeah, I think it's a fair price too. So yeah, it's fair. If you want it, get it. Good choice. Don't forget to like the video on your way out. See you on the next one.